Join me as I take on the challenge of finding Morocco's hidden oasis while cooking up a traditional tagine along the way. Morocco, a country known for its vibrant souks, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage. But have you ever wondered what lies beyond the tourist traps and crowded medinas? Today, I'm on a mission to uncover Morocco's hidden oases, where traditional culinary secrets await, and the authentic flavors of this incredible country come alive. When I first set foot in Morocco, I was overwhelmed by the countless restaurants and cafes claiming to serve the most authentic dishes. But as I delved deeper, I realized that many of these places catered more to tourists than locals. The challenge was real. How do I find the real deal, the hidden gems that only the Moroccans know about? The answer, I discovered, lay in the country's hidden oases, tucked away in the most unexpected corners of the desert. These hidden oases are not just tranquil getaways from the bustling city life, they're also the guardians of traditional culinary wisdom. Here, local chefs and home cooks share their secrets, passed down through generations, and reveal the true essence of Moroccan cuisine. For me, the ultimate culinary experience is the traditional tagine, a slow-cooked stew that's both a meal and an art form. The more I learned about tagines, the more I realized that each region has its own unique take on this dish. From the spicy kick of the Sahrawi tagine, to the sweetness of the Atlas Mountain tagine, every variation is a reflection of the local culture and ingredients, and that's exactly what I wanted to explore. The diversity of tagines, the people behind them, and the stories that make each one special. As I ventured deeper into the desert, the landscapes transformed and the air was filled with the aroma of sizzling meats and exotic spices. I wandered through the markets, marveling at the vibrant colors and enticing flavors of the ingredients. The sound of sizzling onions and garlic, the smell of freshly baked bread, and the chatter of the locals all blended together to create an unforgettable culinary experience. My tagine quest took me to the foothills of the Atlas Mountains, where Berber villages perched precariously on the mountainsides. Here I met Ahmed, a local chef who shared with me the secrets of his family's traditional recipe. As we cooked together under the shade of an ancient olive tree, I realized that the true magic of the tagine lies not just in the ingredients, but in the stories and memories that accompany its preparation. One of the most exciting parts of my quest was discovering a secret recipe passed down through generations of Ahmed's family. The ingredient was a type of desert herb known only to a handful of locals, which added a unique flavor to the tagine. It was a moment of pure culinary magic and one that I'll always treasure. As I reflect on my journey through Morocco's hidden oases, I'm reminded of the power of food to bring people together. The traditional tagine is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of community, of sharing, and of cultural heritage. And that's the beauty of seeking out authentic experiences in this incredible country. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure through Morocco's hidden oases. If you're craving more Moroccan flavors, comment below with your favorite Moroccan dishes. And don't forget to subscribe for more foodie and travel adventures.